What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Brody's Live episode. In today's video, we are working on this Tough Power lawn tractor. I haven't touched this thing in ages. It's just been sitting, and I want to drive it again. And it doesn't need very much. It needs the throttle stuff put back on. It's had to go steal the spring from another machine, but that needs put back on. We just got the throttle put back on. This old one was missing, and this one I was going to replace it with is missing the little end piece to screw it on. So that should work, and yeah, hopefully it just works. Last time I started it ran great. This fell down in, so that would have been bad, but we got it. So, got the carburetor installed, mostly. That was weird.
You gotta give it a Huck 2 spin on that thing.
I guess so. Now I need to put the airbox on, hook the throttle, and all that good stuff. Okay, let's see what happens, I guess. carburetor has to come off. It's too gummed up. It runs if you put gas on the intake, but it won't run for very long, so I need to pull it off again. Size that fits. That fits.
Well, for the tray for once for you.
Yeah, I know, surprisingly. I really wish they had go clean. That's not coming out. Oh yeah, this thing's gummed the fuck up. Oh, big up brush. Does that have anything left? Okay. It's not flammable, but at least I can spray it in. The needle seat was completely full of tar, so I got that cleaned up. Hopefully that helps. Got a new gasket. Gonna fold that on. I got this to work. It might get stuck. Maybe. Might need to put a fuel shut off on this. Halfway rebuilt carburetor. Okay, everything's put back together. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it starts this time. So, yes, it runs. It drives. There's all the lawnmower stuff besides actually mowing grass. And this thing's just fun. I love it. And, this patina that's starting to happen up on this hood, I want to keep. I don't want it to get any worse, so I'm thinking of slightly sanding it and then clear coating it, just so it keeps all that cool patina, because that just looks cool to me. And like back here and stuff, keep all of that. But this was basically my first ever lawnmower that was mine, and I want to keep it forever. So it's a little goofy, has a double chin and whatnot, but I love this lawnmower and I just want to keep going. It's just been parked for like 3 years now and I just haven't done anything with it. So, well, maybe 2 years. I just literally have not touched it. So it's just moved locations. But I'm going to leave this one here and I hope you all enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next one.